So good morning, sir. Today's activity is I'm going to plot the chart E-Plan 3A. So to start, I'm going to use the chart 1A and the chart 1B, and also the plotting equipments, which is the two triangle rulers and the compass divider. So to start, so there is the waypoint 1. So bores 11 degree 27.5 minutes north, and the longitude is 124 degree 52 minutes 52.0 minutes east. So this is the waypoint 1. So as you can see, the diamond sign in here in the waypoint 1 is the PS, or the pilot station. So we just need to plot the first waypoint. So it said here is that 11. So the latitude is 11 degrees. So 11 degrees. This is the 11 degree. 11 degree. 11. This is the 11 degree. So it said 11 degree 27 point minutes north. So 27. So here is 27. Latitude 27. So here is the 27.5. 27.5. And then longitude, which is 124 degree 52.0 east. So we're said to be it's 52.0 east. 52. 52. So 52. 52. 52. So along the waypoint 1, there is an waypoint 1 to the waypoint 2, there is a navigational aid. So the navigational aid for waypoint 1 to the waypoint 2 is a pilot boarding place, which is this diamond sign, and the yellow lights towing group, flashing light 15S9M, and the 2 ports. So this is the navigation aid in waypoint 1. So waypoint 2. So in the waypoint 2, there is the latitude is 11 degree 28.0 minutes north, and 124 degree to 48 minutes east. So we need to plot. So plot is here is the 11 degree, and then it said 28.0 minutes north. So 28, the latitude is 27, 28. So here is the 28. As you can see, I've already plotted it because in the activity, I've already passed this activity in the module. So here is the 28, and then the longitude is the longitude is 124 degree 48. So 48 north east. So 48, so 50, 49, 48, so 48, so 9 to 48, 48, so along the waypoint 2, from waypoint 2 to the waypoint 3, as we can see, there are navigational aids. So navigational aids can help us determine and identify the uses and the sign of all navigational aids in the chart. So we can easily identify it by using the navigational aid. So to prevent further collision, or other dangerous hazard in the area. So along the waypoint 2 to the waypoint 3, there are navigational aids. So navigational aids, so as a waypoint 3 is for 12 degree 22 minutes north and 124 degree 14 minutes east. So its navigational aids are pilot boarding placed, yellow single flashing light showing 5S, yellow light showing group flashing light 15S 9M. So there is the and also 8 ports. So there are 8 ports. So along its track line or the navigation line, there are also hazard or obstruction because as we can see, it is near in the islands or shallow waters. So we're expected to have a hazard or obstruction. So the first obstruction or hazard is the shallow water. So in this blue colored in the chart, blue, it is shallow water. So it is dangerous for our ship to travel along these shallow waters. And then submarine cables. So there are also a submarine cables here, which is this. This is our submarine cables. Submarine cables. And then overfalls, tide whips, races. And 3 objects of rock awash at the level of the chart datum and shells. So consider it Ava shells because it is near in the shallow water. So it's also have shells. So along its track, so the next waypoint is the waypoint 4. So I cut the chart. As you can see, I cut it. So then my idea is to connect it in the chart 1B so that I can see its passage plan. So I can see its direction. So I made this so I can connect it. So waypoint 3 is 13 degree 10 10.8 minutes north and 124 degree 17.5 minutes east. So we can see it's, so we need to plot. So 13, so it's 13 is 13. So it's considered 13. So 13, here is 13 along it's is 13. So 13, so it's in 10.8. So 10.8, so 10.8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10.8. 10.8. So 10.8. Here's 10.8. And its longitude is 124, 17.5 east. So 17. So 17 is 17. So there's 17. So 17. So along its passage, there are navigational aids. So navigational aids to the waypoint 3 to the waypoint 4. The navigational aids is is a yellow single flashing light showing 5 is 9M, yellow single flashing light, yellow showing 5S. Safety, fairway, yellow all rounds light with single flashing light, showing 5S 17M. Yellow single flashing light showing 5S 10M, and west yellow sector light with a single flashing light showing 5S 17M. 3 ports and maritime limit in general. So it has also an hazard or obstruction. Hazard and obstruction in the waypoint 3. Waypoint 3 to the next waypoint 3 is has an obstruction. So it is said that the hazard obstruction is a shallow water EDs, submarine power cable, submarine cable over falls, tide rips, races, brick dips, unknown, which is considered potentially dangerous to surface navigation, reported danger line in the general report underwater rock, and unknown depth dangerous to surface navigation rock area. So those are the hazardous or obstruction along its track line or the navigational line. So the next is from the waypoint 3 to the waypoint 4 for the last waypoint. So it said the latitude is 13 degree 10.8 minutes north and 24 degree 17.5 minutes east. So its navigational aid is west yellow sector light with single flashing light showing 5S 17M, port violet light with double flashing light showing 10SM, and safety fairway. So there is also an obstruction on hazardous here because as you can see it is near in the island. So the hazardous obstruction is bricks and shallow water. Also a bricks and shallow water. So along here is the destination or the port here, or the you can see here is port. So it said it's 13 degree 32.5 minutes north and 124 degree 16.0 east. So there are also an obstruction and navigational aids. Navigational aids is violet light with double flashing light showing 10S 18M safety fairway. Red single flashing light showing 5SM airport, 2 ports, transit shed, and warehouse are the navigational aids. And also red single flashing light showing 5S 10M airport, 2 ports, transit shed, warehouse. And the hazardous or obstruction are shallow water, of course it is near the shallow water, and rocky areas, coral reefs, and breaks. So there it is, sir. My explanation about the A-Plan 3A. So that's all. Thank you.